How to review your archive on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your archive on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just go down until you find activity log, click on it, and now just click this one here, your archive, and here you can review your archive on Facebook Lite, and as you see you can delete and that's how to find archive settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.